taking, just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm riding right.
Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm definitely going to be showing you guys my Christmas decor, but I have a lot that I need to do basically, so I don't know what else y'all are going to get in this video. I do know that I am showing my Christmas decor. Right now it is Thursday. I just clocked out from my full-time job, and I'm not going to say I'm tired, I'm sleepy. I have been working so much on my part-time job this week. I actually didn't get home until midnight last night from my part-time job. So yes, your girl is tired, but I'm trying to push through. But before I can push through, I need to take a nap. So yeah, I'm about to take a nap, but I wanted to go ahead and start my intro for this video. It is Thursday, the day before this video drops, quote unquote. Hopefully this video goes up tomorrow. But I want to welcome you guys to my channel. If you're new here, I am a single mom that do a lot of things, hence the name All Things Tiffany Nicole. I do all types of stuff on my channel. I don't sugarcoat anything. I just show you guys my real life, me living as a single mom, newly divorced, with 2 adult kids and 1 teen. We have multiple dogs. Like I said, I work a part-time job, and I also have a dog sitting business, which I have a new doggy client coming at 6:30 tonight. So yeah, I'm trying to get my little nap in before he gets here. He's puppy, so I'm sure he's gonna be a little bit hyper, so I'll have to, you know, keep my eye out on him. But yeah, that's me. And I do projects around my house. I like to decorate, I like to do hauls, all of the above. So if that's something that you like, please make sure that you click on that subscribe button, join my YouTube family, leave me a comment. I love to communicate with you guys. And if you're not new, as always, thank you for continuing to stop in and support me. I really do appreciate all of you. But like I said, mainly my room is a hot mess, y'all. I got clothes that I have washed, what, 2 weeks ago that I needed to fold, plus clothes that I washed last week that I need to bring upstairs. So I have a lot of clothes. I don't know, do y'all have a catch-all place for, like, if you wear something and you didn't wear it for like but a couple of hours and you don't want to hang it back up, so you just lay it in a chair in your room or whatever, because you know you're going to eventually put it back on again during the week? Yeah, so that's what's been happening with some of my clothes. And then I have just the clothes I need to fold and put up. Like, y'all, it's just crazy. I basically have been just coming into my room to shower and sleep and lay things down, put things in here. I have tons of Amazon boxes from my kids' Christmas gifts that I need to wrap and put under the tree. It's just a lot of stuff going on right now in my room. And yeah, so I have to get my room together. I might end up showing you guys some of that, but yeah. What else before I let you guys go and me take this nap? Oh, so I also have another, where is it? See, that's what I'm saying. My bed is so cluttered right now. I have so much, y'all. So this company called Madam Glam from New York reached out to me to sponsor this video. And this is basically they have stuff to do your nails, gel nails or whatever. But they sent me, I was able to pick 4 polishes, 4 nail polishes. So I ended up picking these 4. I like neutral stuff on my nails, so I went with these 4. Basically, this is like a light pink. What color is this? It says warm up, so there, I guess that's the name of this one. Then I have this one. It is called Mimi Pink. They all kind of look similar. Then this one is Pastel Love. Like I said, I like the neutral look on my nails. And then this one is Sweet Sunshine. This is almost similar to the color that I have on my toes right now when I got my toes done. So, and then they also sent me what is this? I can't see it. The bottle's too clear. I can't. Oh, so this is a top coat, and this is a base coat clear. So I'm probably gonna end up painting my nails in this video, but I want to shout out to Madam Glam for sponsoring this portion of the video. I can't wait to paint my nails, y'all. Update on the collagen that I reviewed. I had to stop taking it, y'all. I'm so disappointed. I had to stop taking it, but listen, it works. It really works. The issue that I have is I can't take stuff that has biotin in it. It breaks my face out so bad. So, and it has biotin in it. So I had issues with my skin. It's clearing up now because I started a new skincare routine. So it's clearing up now. But look at my nails, y'all. My nails are growing like crazy. It does wonders with your nails, your hair, or whatever. But my hair, I didn't need anything to help my hair grow because my hair grows already. But as far as the meal replacement, it did gosh, what do you call it? Suppress my appetite. It did suppress my appetite. I was not hungry after I took the shake. Actually, that first time that I took the shake, I ended up, that's all I had to shake, and I was able to go to sleep. And then I wasn't hungry throughout the night or whatever. When I woke up, I wasn't hungry for breakfast or anything. So it really works. I could tell the difference now. I could feel the difference in my skin. Like my skin was not dry. I actually felt like oil, like on my face. Like my face was like oily a little bit. But like I said, it did lead to workouts. Some of them are still there. But like I said, the bulk of the breakouts have cleared up. But yeah, I really hate that I can't take it anymore. But I do highly if you don't have problems with biotin, using biotin, I highly recommend that collagen. It's really good, and it works. So with that being said, I'm gonna lay down here and try to get a little nap in before I have to get up and run around and do what I need to do with the house. Also get my Christmas decor filmed for you guys. So okay, y'all, I'm doing a voiceover. So I ended up painting my nails. I ended up using the Sweet Sunshine color on my nails. And it turned out pretty good. So if you're interested, I have the link in the description. Alright, y'all, here we are with showing you guys all of my Christmas decor. That's pretty much going to be the rest of the video. So I thank you all for stopping in to watch this video, and I hope you continue to watch me and support me, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you are aware of when I drop videos. I appreciate you guys, and I will chat with you all down below in the comments. Bye.